Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see 9th standard state board maths chapter 5 exercise 5.2. The topic is coordinate geometry. Okay. So first question, find the distance between the following pairs of points. Okay. So we are going to find the distance between the points. Okay. Here 2 points are given. We are going to find the distance. Okay. So let us consider this is A. Let A be 1, 2 and B be 4, 3. Okay. Just I naming the points. Okay. So the first point is called it as x1, y1. This one is x1 and this is y1. And second point x2, y2. So we are going to find the distance. Okay. So what is the formula, children? Distance equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is the formula, children? Distance equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Here we are going to substitute the values. Root of x2. What is the x2 value, children? 4 minus x1 value 1 the whole square plus y2. The y2 value 3 minus y1 2 the whole square. Okay. So 4 minus 1 what you will get, children? 3. 3 square plus 3 minus 2 1. So 1 square. Okay. So 3 square 9 plus 1 square 1 only. So root of 9 plus 1 what you will get, children? Root 10. Okay. So therefore a distance equal to root 10. Is it clear, children? I repeat this. We are going to find the distance between the points. Okay. So the first point x1 y1, second point x2 y2. Okay. So here distance formula d equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Substitute the value here. X2 value 4 minus x1 value 1 the whole square plus y2 value 3, y1 value 2. So 3 minus 2 the whole square. Okay, when we subtract this, what you are getting? 3 square plus 1 square. Just you square it, 3 square you will get 9, 1 square 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. So root 10 is the answer. See the next one. 3, minus 9 and minus 2, 3. Okay, so let A be 3, minus 9 and B be minus 2, 3. Okay. So this one is x1, y1, x2, y2. Write the formula, children. Distance equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, substitute the value here. Here x2 minus 2 minus x1 3 the whole square plus y2 3 is minus here y1 value minus 9. So minus of minus 9 the whole square. Okay. So root of minus 2 minus 3, both the number have same sign, so we need to add. Okay. So minus 2 minus 3 what you will get, children? Minus 5. So minus 5 the whole square plus 3 minus into minus plus 9 the whole square. Root of minus 5 the whole square what you will get, children? See here minus 5 into minus 5. 5 5s are 25, minus into minus plus 1. So plus 25 plus 3 plus 9 what you will get, children? 12. Okay. 12 square. Root of 25 plus 12 square 144. So when we add this, what you will get, children? 169. Okay, the square root of 169 is 13. Because 169, how can you split this? 13 into 13. So what is the answer? Square root of 169 is 13. So what is the answer? Distance equal to 13. See the next question, children. Determine whether the given set of points in each case are collinear or not. So we are going to decide whether the given points are collinear or not. Okay. So using the distance formula, we are going to find this. Okay. See here, 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1, 3 comma 4. 3 points are given here. Okay. Just naming it. Let A of 7 comma minus 2 and B be 5 comma 1 and C be 3 comma 4. Okay. So now I am going to find the distance of AB, BC and CA. Okay. First find out the distance of AB. So AB distance we are going to find. First write the formula. AB distance equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Here what is the A? A coordinate is 7 comma minus 2 and B coordinate is 5 comma 1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now substitute the values in that formula. x2. What is the x2 value? 5. 5 minus x1. x1 7. The whole square plus y2. y2 1 minus y1 value minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square. So 5 minus 7. Okay, what you will get? Minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus into minus plus 2 the whole square. Minus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus 2 3. 3 square. Minus 2 the whole square, what you will get, children? Plus 4. 4 plus 3 square 9. So what you are getting? 4 plus 9 you will get 13. So root 13. The distance of AB is root 13. Okay. Next we are going to find the distance of BC. Okay. First write the coordinates 5 comma 1 and C value 3 comma 4 and this is x1, this is y1 and this is x2, y2. Okay. So now we are going to find the distance of BC. So BC equal to root of, write the formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Now substitute the value here, x2 3 minus x1 5 the whole square plus y2, here y2 4 and y1 minus 1 the whole square. Okay. Root of 3 minus 5, what you will get, children? Minus 2. So minus 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 you will get 3. Okay. So 3 the whole square. Now square this minus 2 the whole square, what you will get, children? 4. 4 plus 3 square 9. So what you are getting? 4 plus 9 13. So the distance of BC equal to root 13. Okay. Next we are going to find the distance of CA. See the next. See here we already found AB, the distance of AB and distance of BC. Next we are going to see the distance of CA. Okay. So C is 3 comma 4 and A is 7 comma minus 2. Okay. So x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Okay. So, we are going to use the distance formula. So, CA equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Substitute the value here, children. So, what is the value of x2, children? x2 is 7. So, 7 minus x1 3 the whole square plus y2. y2 is minus 2 minus y1 4 the whole square. Okay. So, 7 minus 3 what you will get, children? 4. 4 square plus minus 2 minus 4. So, what you will get? Minus 6 the whole square. Okay. Root of 4 square 16 plus 6 square minus 6 the whole square, what you will get? Minus 6 into minus 6 you will get plus 36. Okay. So, root of 6 plus 6 12, 2 remaining 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So, root of 52. Okay. So, now I am going to split this 4 into 13. 4 into 13 what you will get, children? 52. Okay. The square root of 4 is 2. So, root 13. So, what is the distance of CA? 2 root 13. Okay. So, now we found that AB root 13, BC root 13 and CA 2 root 13. So, we need to say the given points are collinear or not. Okay. So, what you want to do? You just add any two sides. That side is equal to the third side. Okay. Look at here, root 13, root 13. I am going to add AB plus BC. So, what you will get, children? Root 13 plus root 13. Okay. See the coefficient. Here coefficient is 1. Here also 1. So, 1 plus 1, 2. Root 13 plus root 13. What you will get, children? 2 root 13. Okay. So, this value is equal to CA. Okay. So, AB plus BC is equal to CA. 2 root 13 equal to 2 root 13. So, therefore, the given points are collinear. Is it clear, children? Next question, third one. Show that the following points taken in order form an isosceles triangle. So, what is isosceles triangle, children? Two sides are equal. In a triangle we have three sides. Out of three sides, two sides are equal. That type of triangle is called it as isosceles. Look at here. So, these two sides are equal. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. So, here you substitute the values here. A, the vertices value is 5, 4 and B 2, 0 and C minus 2, 3. Any two sides. Okay. You have to take these two sides or these two sides or these two sides. Okay. So, in a triangle, two sides are equal means that type of triangle is called it as isosceles triangle. Okay. So, here we are going to use the distance formula. We are going to find it whether the given points are forming the isosceles triangle or not. Okay. So, find out the distance of AB. AB equal to, write the distance formula, children. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Here A coordinate 5, 4. B coordinate 2, 0. Okay. So, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Okay. Substitute here x2 2 minus x1 5 the whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 4 the whole square. Okay. So, 2 minus 5, what you will get, children? minus 3 the whole square plus 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 the whole square. Okay. So minus 3 the whole square, what you will get children? 9 plus minus 4 the whole square 16. So 9 plus 16 you will get 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. So the distance of AB is 5. Okay children. Next we are going to find the distance of BC. Okay. So take the B coordinate 2, 0 and C coordinate minus 2, 3. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Okay. So BC equal to, substitute the value children because we written the formula here. Okay. So once time you should write the formulas. No need to repeatedly don't write the formulas. Okay. So see here x2 minus 2, here x1 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 3 minus 0 the whole square. Okay. So minus 2 what you will get children? Minus 4 the whole square plus 3 minus 0 what you will get? 3. Okay. So 3 the whole square. Now squaring this, minus 4 the whole square you will get 16 plus 3 square you will get 9. Okay. So 16 plus 9 what you will get children? 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So therefore BC equal to 5. Next we are going to find distance of CA. Okay. So CA, write the coordinate minus 2, 3 and A 5, 4. Okay. So CA, the distance of CA equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Substitute the value here x2 minus x1. So 5 minus of minus 2 the whole square plus y2 4 minus 3 the whole square. 5 minus into minus what you will get children? Plus. So 5 plus 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 3 what you will get? 1 the whole square. Okay. 5 plus 2 7, 7 square plus 1 square. So 7 square what is the answer children? 7 square 49 plus 1 square 1. So root of 49 plus 1 what you will get? Root 50. How can you split this children? 5 tens are 50. So 5 into 10 how can you split? 5 into 2. Okay. So what you will get here? 2 5s are there. So this is a square root. So 5 root 2. So CA equal to 5 root 2. Okay. So now we need to say, okay, these points are forming the isosceles triangle or not. Okay. Look at the values children. AB equal to 5, BC equal to 5, CA equal to 5 root 2. So these two sides are equal and this is not equal. In isosceles triangle, any two of the sides should be equal. Okay. So AB is equal to BC. Okay. Therefore, the given points form an isosceles triangles. Okay children, I hope it is clear. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.